So in this video I'm just going to give you a brief update. Last week we looked at the lunchboxes, and this week we're going to look at the rice cookers. In comparison, I saw that the rice cookers have a lot more power. One of them is 120 and the other one is labeled over 100, and if I understand this correctly, it'll allow me to warm up my gold standard of 800 milliliters of water much quicker. This one is a 1 liter. Lunchboxes were 57 for a minute and 5, I believe. So let's see where we end up with this. Not quite the same, like 18 or 19, but not really good. So exactly after 42 minutes we're reaching 73 centigrade. But which one? So 42 minutes for 70 degrees. I know, this is not the picture proving it. I was late. I have it before. This was just a thermometer proof.